Hey, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this classic pumpkin cutout. I'm going to go in first with the color Terracotta and just base coat my pumpkin. Following that, I'm going in with this chocolate color for the stem and just using a sponge brush to go around the edges and distress that. Then I'm going to go in with like a number 6 round and that chocolate color and begin to add the accents to my pumpkin. I'm going to go over all those brown accents with the color Putty. I'll also use Putty to kind of distress it down the side of my stem. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Evergreen to add some little vines, and then I'm going to highlight all those vines with Limeade. And I used a number 4 round for these vines. It's perfect for accenting and these smaller details. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.